Tool haul time. This is from Direct Tools. Obviously, the parent company is TTI. Let's see what I got here. This last weekend, they had a pretty big sale. It was 25% off all OnePlus tools. There's a few things that I really wanted, and you guys are going to see what that is right now. It's actually a pretty huge box here. A lot of bubble wrap. Kids will love this. Alright. Oh, there is a disclaimer. Factory blemish tools. Is that what that says? Oh, right here, yep. Factory blemish tools. Not all of them, but they throw the disclaimer on there pretty big, don't they? Alright, so this is the tire inflator, and it does other inflations like beds and things like that. I do have one of these. I wanted an extra because I want to keep one in my wife's car and keep one in my vehicle. I use these all the time, so I got this for, it was pretty cheap. I think it was maybe 20 bucks, something like that, with the sale. Don't quote me, I don't remember exactly. Alright, I got this because it was only just a couple little dollars. I think maybe $7. This is just loose in the box. This is factory reconditioned. There we go. It's a nice little spotlight. Something for the kids to carry around. So this is something I have wanted for a long time. This is the 3-gallon OnePlus portable wet dry vac. I believe this is actually brand new, so I got this for $50, I think $50, $50 or $59, one of those two. But this is brand new, still in the box. You have all your paperwork here, everything you get from the store. There is no factory blemish on this. Oh, I almost dropped it off the table. Sucked. Alright, yep, so everything you would expect. The on and off button. Make sure we have the filter inside. Yep, we have our little filter inside. Everything you would expect here. It all looks perfect. No issues. That's interesting. The hose is, when you expand it, is clear inside so you can see what's in there. So you have a tool right here. This is just, I'd like to have the crevice tool, but I don't see it on here. This is just the flat tool. Unless it's, oh, there it is. Oh, there is crevice. Oh, look at that. I'm going to have a little more faith in Ryobi here. So anyway, something I really wanted, and I'll have it. Alright guys, so that's, oh, wait a minute. I got some freebies. Everybody's talking about these. These didn't come in a box, they just bubble wrapped them. This is the electrostatic sprayer. And I actually got 3 of these, so for every item that I purchased, they gave me a free electrostatic sprayer, which is pretty awesome. A lot of people don't know what to use these for, so I will tell you what to use these. We use these to sanitize buildings for COVID. This is amazing in order to kill the COVID-19 virus. And how it works is you put your CDC approved sanitizer in here. Right here, you have a button right here. It turns on the electrostatic. And as you spray, you have 3 different nozzles inside. And I'll tell you what those nozzles are. You have a prime. You have a 100 micron, you have a 15 micron, and you have a 50 micron. There is a light on here as well. And it actually puts a positive charge into the chemical itself. And then whenever it hits the base, whatever it's a table or a chair, something like that, that acts as the ground or the negative, and it actually clings all the way around it, so it kills if there's any viruses all the way around it, so you don't have to sit there and spray with a spray bottle. And it makes your product go a lot further too, because it puts it out in such small fine particles. So this is perfect for sanitizing. I'm not sure if you can use this for, you know, like a fog or anything like that. This is basically pretty much dedicated for sanitizing. But this works tremendously well. I think it's a great value for what it is meant to do. These originally, I think, were $300 or $400, and now people aren't using them as much, so they're giving them away. So I would say that they're still worth it because they have a very valuable purpose. And you know, don't get discouraged if you do get these. Save them for the time that you actually need them, and it could possibly help you or your family or your friends if you need to sanitize something. So everybody, this is my tool haul. I hope that you all took advantage of the sales as well. This, everything that I got here, I believe was $100. So $50 here, or maybe it was $80. This may have been $20 or $30, and then $7. Then I had shipping as well, which cost a little bit. So all in all, everything together was $100 including shipping. So hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like it, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.